everyone, Grandma here. Today I'm making an easy zucchini casserole recipe. This is very quick and easy to prepare. The ingredients you need are 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of shredded cheese. I'm going to use cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to drizzle. And you need a 9 by 13 pan with 4 zucchinis that I already cut lengthwise. And you could take out the seeds if you like. In my medium bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of cheddar cheese. You could use whatever cheese you like. You don't have to just use cheddar cheese. 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and the half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm just going to mix this all up so you could see how easy this recipe is. A very simple recipe. You just have to mix it well. Here's my 19 by 13 pan. You cut your zucchini lengthwise. If you want to take some seed out, you could take some seed out. And now all I have to do is take my mixture that I just mixed, and you just pour it over. You pour it all over the top.
Zucchini casserole. Mix it all up in a bowl. Pour it over zucchini, and then you have an easy zucchini casserole.
And this is how easy this is to make this recipe. It just takes a little time to cut the zucchini, but the rest is just easy. All in one bowl. You mix all these ingredients up and just pour it over the top. Now I'm going to take the olive oil, the tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to just drizzle it a little bit on the top here. You just drizzle it a little bit before you bake it. It's all ready to bake in the oven. It has to bake at 350 for 30 minutes. And I have my oven preheating. I just took the zucchini casserole out of the oven and I cooked it for 45 minutes. And as you can see, it got golden brown on top. I just took out my zucchini casserole from the oven, and I put it in this wicker basket that this 9 by 13 Pyrex dish came with. And this was gifted to me by my sister-in-law many years ago. And I've used it so often. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Looks good. Nice and colorful. Nice and tender, flavorful, moist. It's very flavorful with that Italian seasoning.
I'm eating easy zucchini casserole, an easy zucchini casserole. It makes a nice light dinner or a filling side dish. Yes, you can eat it any way you wish. It's an easy zucchini casserole.